Well, that's a lovely start. I'm Andrew Larder from selfhelpforyou.com. It's a letter or number 4 and a letter U at the end, self-help and then foryou.com. It's listed on the screen. None of that matters. This is Unshakeable Confidence Action Kit, and it's a mega PLR kit from Daniele Melandri, who does these kind of things and really does great graphics and things to go with it. So there are 2 versions of this, one with the video and one without. I like to start at the finish, which is the cost. It's $27 for the just a regular PLR and $37 with the video. You click the link in the video description here. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There is a lovely picture of the material, quick description, what's included, and I'll run through that in a sec, and then the upgrade offers. So you can get the basic plan for $27 and the premium plan, which has the videos and things, for $37. And then there's some other upgrade things that are there to do with wellness and mental health and personal development, that kind of thing. And then you scroll to the bottom, there's a link, you click that and you're on this page, we're on here. And I'll just quickly run through, because we're looking at a lovely picture, what's included. So the Unshakeable Confidence Ebook, professionally written ebook, that's the main product. Unshakable Confidence video course, the video course version of the content. You get that that's in the more expensive version. Guided Confidence Affirmations, or written affirmations, male and female narrated audios in MP3 format. You can use these to make meditation apps, programs, YouTube, audio products, that kind of thing. AI Confidence Coach GPT is a GPT bot. So it's AI designed to act as a personal confidence coach. Full instructions on how it's trained, so you can understand, customize, and reuse it. There's 90 vertical reels that you could use for TikTok and Instagram and so on. 90 social media posts that are posts then, as opposed to reels. And then there's 8 blog articles. So you got all of that together is everything you're going to want. And I'll just scroll through because I'm staring at the same picture. Let's come to here and I'll give you a much better look at it. There we go. I'm going to scream to the top. Hang on tight. Woo, we're at the top. Okay, so blah, blah, blah. Ebook, video course, AI Confidence GPT, social media content with reels, affirmations, and blog articles. All of this fully editable, ready to use with private label rights. You have it. It's as if you wrote it, developed it, created it. It's all yours under your name to use as you wish. That's pretty cool. So you can now resell this. It's not a single kind of a thing. That's what I'm saying. Let's take a look down a bit about, there we go. So here, like I say, you can see the scratched out part. So the video course and the GPT are part of the $37 upgrade, and all the rest of it, the ebook, the affirmations, the reels, the media posts, the blog articles, and the PLR license. You can resell everything in this kit as your own product. That's the $27 thing. And the part that's scratched out here, the video course and the GPT, which again is something that if you're going to use this to make your own site, that's a great add-on. That is a great service, a great offering that you might resell yourself. AI to create your own personal confidence thing. So you'll see how that goes. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. Here you go. You get down to this. You can click the $27 or the $37 option, and bam, you'll be able to grab it just like that. So click the link in the video description. Go to my site and check out a quick description of it at selfhelpforyou.com, and then click the product box or the product link at the bottom. It'll bring you to this page. You scroll down, you can grab it for either $27 or $37. Fresh out today, right now, Unshakable Confidence Action Kit PLR from Daniele Melandri. PLR works whether it's the $27 or the $37 range. But if you really are wanting to resell things, you want to probably spend the extra $10. You can see that it's the best selling option of the 2 because you're going to want to be able to offer those things as well, not just the recording, but also the video recordings and this AI thing that they put together. Click the link, go check it out. Links in the video description for Unshakable Confidence Action Kit PLR from Daniele Melandri. Enjoy.